Hey beautiful souls! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something that truly excites me. Road trips. There is just something magical about hitting the open road, with the wind in your hair and endless possibilities ahead. You know guys, for me, road trips are more than just a means of getting from point A to point B. They are an adventure, a journey filled with spontaneous moments, breathtaking views, and unforgettable experiences. The thrill of exploring new places and the freedom of the open road is something that fills my soul with joy. One of the things I love most about road trips is the opportunity to discover hidden gems along the way. You know what? I think another aspect that makes road trips special is the time spent with friends or family. There's nothing quite like sharing laughter, stories, and music while cruising down the highway. Those long conversations and silly sing-alongs create bonds that last a lifetime. Plus, let's not forget the countless inside jokes that come from those shared experiences. You know, guys, for me, sunsets by the ocean are a moment of pure serenity. As the day comes to an end, the world seems to slow down, and all my worries fade away. The gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore creates a soothing backdrop, allowing me to fully immerse myself in the beauty of the moment. What I love most about sunsets is the incredible display of colors. The sky transforms into a canvas of warm oranges, pinks, and purples, reflecting off the water and creating a breathtaking spectacle. Each sunset is unique, reminding me that no two moments are ever the same. It's a beautiful reminder of nature's artistry. I think whether you're an experienced road warrior or someone who dreams of hitting the road someday, I encourage you to embrace the adventure. Pack your bags, grab your friends or family, and set out on a journey of discovery. You never know what incredible experiences await you on the other side of that horizon. You know what? Planning my road trips is also part of the fun. I love researching destinations, mapping out routes, and creating playlists that perfectly capture the spirit of the journey. Each trip becomes a unique story waiting to be told. And even when things don't go as planned, like taking a wrong turn or encountering unexpected weather, those moments often turn into the best memories. As I drive through diverse landscapes, from mountains to deserts to coastal roads, I'm constantly reminded of how beautiful our world is. Every turn offers a new perspective and a chance to appreciate nature's wonders. I find inspiration in the vastness of the open sky.
This is so cold. I'm freezing. Oh my god, look at the water. Oh my god. This is insane. I'm in love with mountains. Look at that peak. Can you believe it, guys? Oh my god! This is insane! Wow! In praise of God! Oh my god! Bibbidi bobbidi boo! Hiking in the morning. Let's be grateful for everything. I'm in love with nature. Don't forget to love yourself, and don't forget to go hiking every day. Weather and too many layers. First one. Second one. Third one. And there is two more. Because this is cold.
Thank you for joining me today as I share my passion for road trips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!